Welcome to Car Chronicles, your go-to channel for all things automotive. Today, we're diving into the sleek, stylish, and efficient 2025 Volkswagen Jetta. Let's explore its exterior design, interior features, performance, and see if this iconic sedan still holds its place as a leader in the compact car market. Exterior. First up, the exterior. Volkswagen has truly refined the 2025 Jetta's design. Up front, you'll notice the updated LED headlights with a sharp, angular design, seamlessly connected to a more prominent honeycomb grille. The sculpted lines on the hood and sides give it a dynamic, modern look. The 17-inch alloy wheels come standard, but higher trims like the SEL Premium offer stylish 18-inch options. The sleek, coupe-like roofline adds a touch of sportiness, while the rear features bold LED taillights and an integrated spoiler for a clean finish. Overall, the 2025 Jetta strikes the perfect balance between sophistication and sportiness, making it a head-turner in the compact sedan segment. Interior. Step inside, and you're greeted by an upscale interior that feels surprisingly premium for its price point. The 2025 Jetta boasts soft-touch materials, ambient lighting with customizable colors, and an intuitive cabin layout. The centerpiece of the cabin is the 10.25-inch digital cockpit, which is standard on most trims. It offers customizable displays for navigation, media, and driving data. The 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while higher trims offer a 10-inch screen with built-in navigation. The seats are well bolstered and available with leather upholstery on higher trims. Heated and ventilated front seats. Check. Even the rear seats are spacious, with plenty of legroom and headroom for passengers. And let's not forget the Jetta's practicality. With 14.1 cubic feet of trunk space, it's ready for weekend getaways or grocery runs. Performance. Now, let's talk performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Jetta comes with a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine producing 158 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque. This engine delivers a great blend of efficiency and peppiness, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. For those who crave more excitement, the Jetta GLI takes it up a notch with a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine pushing out 228 horsepower and a sport-tuned suspension. Whether you're commuting or carving corners, the Jetta offers a smooth and responsive driving experience. And here's the best part: fuel economy. The base engine achieves an impressive 31 mpg in the city and 41 mpg on the highway, making it one of the most efficient options in its class. So, is the 2025 Volkswagen Jetta the right car for you? If you're looking for a stylish, practical, and fuel-efficient sedan with modern tech and a touch of European flair, the Jetta is hard to beat. And for those wanting a bit more power, the GLI delivers on all fronts. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Car Chronicles, and let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Volkswagen Jetta. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.